The Bank of Jamaica has issued a response to complaints about some services being offered by local financial institutions. After its own investigation, the BOJ says all its systems are working as required. In a statement issued on Friday, the central bank says it's aware that some banking entities are experiencing challenges crediting customers' accounts. The issue began after the bank implemented its transition from the SWIFT message type MT standard to the new ISO 2022 standard MX, a global banking standard which became effective in JamClear RTGS on Monday, December 15. The BOJ is encouraging the public to report issues to their financial institutions if they are still experiencing challenges. The BOJ reiterated that it remains fully committed to maintaining the stability, safety, and efficiency of the national payment system and will continue to work closely with all stakeholders to resolve all issues during this post-implementation period. GraceKennedy has announced an agreement to acquire Fonterra Cooperative Group's shareholding in Dairy Industries Jamaica, a move that will give the Jamaican conglomerate full ownership of the company. Dairy Industries Jamaica has been a key player in the local manufacturing sector for more than 6 decades. The company began operation in 1964 and started cheese processing in 1968. It is the only manufacturer in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean producing processed cheese in a can, with Tasty Cheese as its flagship brand. Group CEO of GraceKennedy, Frank James, says the acquisition reflects dairy industry's strong performance and strategic importance to the group. The JSE index declined by 1,306 points, while the junior market index advanced by 11 points. The winners include Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Iron Rock Insurance Company, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, and Palace Amusement. The losers were led by Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB Financial Group, Express Catering, and AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.34. The pound is going for $216.13, while the euro is selling for an average $190.26.